stop scrolling for one damn minute. Wait, you can't, right? Your life is leaking away, not in years, in seconds. And the worst part, you're letting it happen. You say you want a better life, yet you spend more time thinking about changing than actually doing anything. You've built a routine of hesitation, procrastination, distraction, and you're proud of your plans as if planning is the same as doing. It's not. It's mental masturbation. Here's the ugly truth. You are addicted to comfort, and comfort is killing you. That phone in your hand, that Netflix show you deserve after a long day, they're not relaxing you. They're training you to settle. They're numbing your ambition. You think you have time. You don't. The average person wastes over 6 hours a day on low-value activities, scrolling, binge-watching, fake research on YouTube, gossip, arguing with strangers online. That's 90 full days every year gone. Multiply that by 10 years, and you've thrown away almost 3 years of your life. 3 years you could have learned a high-income skill, started a business, traveled the world, or gotten in the best shape of your life. Instead, you spent it hunched over a glowing rectangle, chasing dopamine hits like a lab rat. And you still wonder why you feel stuck. Here's why. You keep waiting for motivation. It's never coming. Motivation is a guest that only visits people who are already working. If you're sitting around waiting for the perfect moment, that moment is already gone. Here's another slap of reality. Your comfort zone is not a warm, safe blanket. It's a coffin. And every lazy, "I'll do it later" day is just another nail in the lid. Here's the shift you need to make. Stop managing your time. Start managing your energy. Ask yourself, what's the one thing today that if I do it, moves my life forward? Then do that first, before the scrolling, before the emails, before the excuses. You don't need a 12-step plan. You don't need to find yourself. You need to stop making comfort your default setting. Replace "I'll do it tomorrow" with "I'll do it now." "I don't feel like it" with "I'll start anyway." It's hard with "it's worth it."